I chose to work in construction because I want to make a change. I want to leave something behind and be proud walking around and seeing things that I've taken part of.
There's no 2 days that are the same. You work with a huge variety of people, and I think what I enjoy most is the challenge.
People still see it as the typical builder, male orientated. There's a lot of changes now, so you've got women in senior management, in director roles now, and they're there because they deserve to be there.
I looked into it and saw which different Open Doors events were close to me, and then I found out about this one and something a bit different. Not on a site, it's in an office, so I thought, why not go for it?
There's thousands of jobs in the industry, and there is something for everybody. Whatever interests you, there's an opportunity in this industry.
You've got all sorts of trades, from sparkies, chippies, dry liners.
I was really interested in sustainability, and it's something that's really growing within the construction industry. So if you are interested in the environment, it's quite a key sector to be involved in, as obviously the impacts are so high.
You kind of start a project with a pile of dirt and a stack of materials, and you end up with a school, a hospital, a community centre, houses. It's so diverse what we do.
Construction is always something that's going to be around. There's always going to be construction projects going on, so it's a career for life really.